Now the text is emissive now. Hi, so today I will show you how you can import your own text file and convert it like this material and change the text color also. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first I will open up my Canva. So first I will write something here. So okay, let's okay, so you have created this one. Now if you change your font, okay, so I am liking this one. After that, we need to change the text color to white. Okay, make sure you do the right thing. So the text color will be white. Now go to share, go to download. Now select the transparent background. Hit download. It's already downloaded for me. Now I will import the text. Yeah, this is the image. So you see, yeah, the backgrounds are transparent one. Okay, so I will create a material out of it. So this is the material. Now I need to disconnect it from the base color. I need to change the material plane mode to masked. Now just connect the RGB color to the opacity mask. Now the base color for now I will keep it white. Just apply. Okay, so this is the material. So okay, so now I can take, let me just copy the scale of it. Okay. Now we'll go here, shapes, plane. Now we can just paste the material here. Now I can scale it. You see, it's already there. So this is our Canva image, and this is in Unreal Engine, and it's all working. Okay, so if you need to change the color of your font, so that's pretty easy. Just go here, change the base color to like I think like this color. Okay, I'm liking it. Okay, just hit apply. Now go to your map. You see, the colors changed. You can apply also some emissiveness. So if I like put a scalar value into it, and if I put 10 over here, press OK. You see, now the text is emissive now, and that's how you can just convert any text to a material and use it anywhere in Unreal Engine. Yeah, bye.